Welcome to RDO. I am Devender. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths trigonometry. See here, exercise 11.4, question number 10. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. First of all, I written here given information as cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. But already we know that, see, trigonometric identity, see, we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Once you can write here a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. Yes or no? So that can I write here cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? See here, we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. See here, but already you know that if you want, you can take this equation as 1. See here, but you know that cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k or not? Yes, you can substitute here. That means you can write here implies k into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. In the brackets you can write here from equation 1. See here, you can transpose k to RHS. That means you will get here cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. You can take this equation as 2. See here, if I am transposing k to RHS, it will become as a denominator. Yes or no? Yes. See here, from 1 and 2, you can take here from equation 1 and 2. See here, cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Here, cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. See here, just I am adding, see, 1 plus 2 implies, see here, plus cot theta minus cot theta should be cancelled. Here cosec theta plus cosec theta, you will get here 2 cosec theta. 2 cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. K plus 1 by k. That means you will get here, see, k means here k by 1. You will get here LCM as k only. K into k. K square plus 1 by k. See here, 2 cosec theta is equal to 2 cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k. See, we need here only cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. If I am transposing 2 to RHS, you will get here how much? 2k only. See here, you know that sine theta is the reciprocal of cosec. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. So that I am writing here, see, sine theta. Sine theta is equal, we know that 1 by cosec theta. Yes or no? Yes, see here. That means you can write here reciprocal of k square plus 1 by 2k. What is the reciprocal of k square plus 1 by 2k? 2k by k square plus 1. 2k by k square plus 1. Sin theta is equal to 2k by k square plus 1. But you know that another identity, see here, in that question they are asking find the cos theta, but you know cosine theta. What is the relationship between sin theta and cos theta? So that purpose I am taking here another identity. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? This is another identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 means I am writing here cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Yes or no? If I am transposing sin square theta to RHS, it will become minus or not? Yes. See here. 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta value is how much? 2k by 2k square plus 1. 2k by k square plus 1 whole square. You can write here whole square. That means you can write here 1 minus 2k whole square. That means you can write here 4k square. Yes or no? 2 square is 4, k whole square is k square only, by k square plus 1, k square plus 1 whole square. See here, cos square theta is equal 1 minus 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square. But you know that see 1 means here 1 by 1. Yes or no? Yes. So that can I write here LCM as k square plus 1? Yes or no? K square plus 1 whole square. See here 1 into k square plus 1 whole square is how much? K square plus 1 whole square only. K square plus 1 whole square minus 1 into 4k square. 4k square only. Implies you can expand here. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. That means you can write here k square whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2 into k square into 1 minus 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square. Here I am utilized here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. See in the next step you can write here k square whole square is how much? K power 4. Yes or no? K power 4 plus here 1 square is 1 only, plus here 2k square into 1 means 2k square only, 2k square minus 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square. In the next step you can write here k power 4 plus 1 plus 2k square minus 4k square. That means 2 minus 4 is how much? Minus 2k square. Yes or no? Minus 2k square by here you can write here k square plus 1 whole square. That means you can write here once again k power 4 as k square whole square. K square whole square. Here 1 can be written as 1 square minus 2 into k square into 1 you can write here by k square plus 1 whole square. Once you can observe here k power 4 can be written as k power 2 whole power 2 or not? Yes. Here 1 also can be written as 1 square or not? Yes. Minus 2k square can be written as 2 into k square into 1 or not? 2 1 2 only. You are getting same value or not? But once you can observe here which is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. If it is minus 2ab, how can you represent here? A minus b whole square, that means k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. You will get here how much? K square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square using a minus b whole square formula. This is equal to how much? Cos square theta is equal to, if I need here cos theta value, cos theta is equal to, you can make it as square root k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. For square, square root cancel. Here also square, square root cancel. That means you are getting here how much? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here cos theta value is how much? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is your solution. In that question they are asking just find the value of cos theta. Cos theta value is how much? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete chapter videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos.